So the first step checking your engine is obviously to get it open. Every car is unique in how you will open the bonnet. We're in a Ford Fiesta, so I'm going to show you the way to do it on that. So obviously on the Ford Fiesta we have a little latch down here, as you can see, this one, and we just give that a little pull, and as you heard a little bang there, that's the bonnet opening. So you can see that the engine's a little bit lifted now since we popped the bonnet, and you'll see there's a little yellow latch. I don't know whether you guys can see it, you'll see it better in a second. And you just push that to the left and then lift it up. So this is the latch I was talking about down here. And then obviously we don't want to be holding it up constantly, so we're going to take this, it's a bit tight, and then we're going to just put it in here. Yeah, and that'll make sure the engine doesn't come down on our head. So this is obviously the screen wash, you can tell by the symbol. This obviously is the oil. Then we have the brake fluid, so this is a very important one, and we also have the coolant over here. So we have the dipstick here, so we're just going to give that a little pull out, and then as you can see we're going to give it a wipe just to make sure it's nice and clean. Now you should always do this when the engine hasn't been running for very long. So as you can see my dipstick is nice and clean here. We're going to then put that back in, give it a nice push all the way back down. It can be a bit tricky, you can give it a nice pull out, and then we're just going to have a little look here. So as you can see, that is between the min and the max, so this is okay, and we don't need to fill up the oil on that. So if we needed to top up the oil, obviously we would just unscrew this cap here, put a little bit of oil in, and then just check the dipstick until it was a little bit higher up. In this case, we've deliberately picked a car, which is one that we need to fill up. So you can see there's a min and a max on the brake fluid, and we're just below that. So we need to top that up. And also there's the coolant, which is, as you can see, below the min line up here. So we need to fill that one up as well. And the same way you would do that is just by unscrewing the cap and filling it up with the coolant or the brake fluid in this case.